If you are watching this video, it's likely that you've noticed some difficulties hearing your family and friends, especially in noisy environments. Maybe you have ringing in your ears or plug sensation, or you feel popping or crackling when you swallow. Hi, my name is Kim Palmer. I'm a licensed audiologist and a private practice owner for the last 20 years. In that time, I've helped thousands of people properly diagnose their hearing loss, manage their symptoms, and find appropriate treatment. In this video, I'm going to help you understand why it's important to have a hearing test when you first notice your symptoms and why having an audiologist performing that test for you is crucial to your hearing health care. Although you're noticing changes in your hearing, what you don't know without a diagnostic hearing test is what's causing those changes. It could be something simple like wax or from using your ears over time, or it could be something more serious like an infection or a brain tumor if it is left untreated. Some of these things can cause serious health concerns, and that is why it's important to have a hearing test as soon as you notice change. Once you have decided to have your hearing tested, you have to choose who's going to do that test for you. In the state of Michigan, you have two options. One is a licensed audiologist, and the other is a hearing aid salesperson or dealer. A licensed audiologist must hold a master's degree or doctorate degree from an accredited university and also take licensure testing. A hearing aid dealer must work under someone for 6 months and take testing for the sole purposes of selling hearing aids. Medicare states that testing performed by an audiologist is medically relevant, and because of that, they cannot perform this testing for free. A hearing aid dealer cannot bill Medicare because their testing is deemed not medically relevant and only used for the purpose of fitting hearing aids. You'll find audiologists working in hospitals, ENT clinics, Veterans Administration hospitals, schools, and private practices. Hearing aid dealers can be found in big box stores and hearing aid sales stores. If you decide that you would like an audiologist to do your hearing testing and you live in the Kalamazoo area, we would love to help you on your hearing care journey. Please click the link below and fill out the information or call our office to schedule an appointment. We look forward to helping you hear all the sounds of your life.